Hi, I'm Tyler with AmeriDri Restoration. I'm the dedicated sales and marketing manager of the team. We spent over 3 decades perfecting the art of restoration in Colorado Springs. Water, fire, mold, or sewage damage, we've seen it all and fixed it all. We're IICRC certified, and what matters most is how we care for our community. Because every minute counts, we make ourselves available 24/7 with a 60-minute response time. Our team doesn't just meet industry standards, we constantly push to exceed them. We also understand Colorado's completely unpredictable weather and how it can wreak havoc on your property. Our passion for restoration was born in the trenches, fueling our commitment to continuous hands-on training for our certified technicians. And with AmeriDri, you're not just getting restoration experts, you're gaining allies who will navigate insurance claims, fight for your interests, and do what's right. Our team is the backbone of our success. Dylan, our project manager for over 15 years, leads our restoration efforts with experience and reliability. Our team of seasoned professionals include Danny, George, Sorrell, Matt, and Brad, each bringing their own unique skills and years of experience to every job we tackle. Trust the team at AmeriDri to treat your home like their own.